What's going on YouTube, my fellow GMers? Making this quick video about a problem I was having with my 07 Escalade. As I would begin to accelerate, and upon braking, I would hear like a rapid ticking sound, and looked up a couple of videos, and some people said it may have been the starter spindle, which I took off, and it was not. Some people said it may be the axle, which I don't believe it was, and some people say it could have been a number of things. But ultimately I found what the culprit was, and I will show you. Hopefully this will save you guys a good amount of money and time. So my culprit was this guy right here. It was my U-joint latch. Somehow it got loose from one side and it was swaying and hanging, and that's the result right there. It kind of, I don't know if you can see that really good or not, but it ate into my oil pan cooler line, and that's what the problem was. I'm actually glad that's what the problem was, because it saved me a good amount of time and money, and this was the end result. So that has been replaced. I have no idea how it would have come loose unless it was never fastened back in the first place after the oil pan change with oil pan gasket. But yeah, if you have that problem and you can't figure it out, take a look at this first, and this may be your problem. I hope this helped, and peace.